If you don't know who Alex Hormozi is, you're probably not on social media. Alex Hormozi is an entrepreneur and business coach who has gained a following for his business advice and has helped a ton of entrepreneurs grow their businesses. He is also the founder of acquisition.com with his wife Layla. And if you didn't know, both Alex and Layla are crushing it on social media this year. In just under a year, he's gained almost 1 million followers just on Instagram alone. And one of the reasons that he has differentiated himself in this space is because of his video content and the style of content that he produces. My name is Brianna and I'm a full-time freelancer and entrepreneur. I own a social media content creation agency. The biggest service that I offer is video editing and social strategy. And I have seen a lot of clients request videos in that Alex Hormozi style. If you're a business owner and you just want to pump out content without hiring anyone, my go-to tool is called Captions app. This video is obviously not sponsored. I've used it for about 6 months now, and anyone can use it, whether you're a video editor or not. So here's how we can get that look. If you're someone who gives a lot of advice and does a lot of talking head videos, Captions app is awesome. Now let's create a video. I'm gonna add a video in that I took the other day. It's embarrassing, but whatever. One thing I will say about this is that it is a little laggy at times, and sometimes it takes a second to import your footage.
For the past 2 days, but I'm going to Peru next week.
So this is a video I was saying that I'm going to Peru and I'm super excited about it. So let's just pretend like I wanted to post this on social media. There's 2 features you can look at. There's the auto split or the auto curse sensor. The auto split, it basically cuts the video for you. I've personally never used that because I edit content on the computer and then I import it into here. However, if you want to try that out, that's cool too. And to be honest, it's pretty quick at transcribing the whole video because as a video editor, I know how long it takes to transcribe on Premiere. Okay, so here we are. We have the text. You can pick the format if you wanted to have, something that was square or something that was for Reels or TikTok. Click on the timeline and it has all the words out. You can even pick the emoji that you want to use. So for Peru, it has the Peruvian flag, which is awesome. You don't have to use the emojis. If you don't want the emojis, you just click it and it turns it off. I personally like the emojis. I think they're cute. I think it gives it some emphasis and it just makes it more entertaining to watch. But if that's not for you, you can literally just click on it and take it off. Or if you want to change the emoji, you can click on it and pick a different emoji. So another really cool thing is you can emphasize certain words. So let's say I wanted to emphasize the fact that I've been sick for 2 days. I click emphasize and then I can click supersize. So it makes it bigger. I can even change the color. Let's see, I want that color. This is kind of what it looks like.
2 days, but
so you see how it made 2 days a little bit bigger. I think that's kind of cool. I like that. It kind of gives some variety to the text that I have. The cool thing is you can change the style too. So if you don't like that, you can create a custom style. They do have presets, which are cute. Oh wow, they even have a preset called Hormozi. That's awesome. You see, this is how popular this is. So let's pick this one. We're gonna click done.
For the past 2 days, but I'm going to Peru next week and I literally...
All right, so I love this. They have a preset already that's exactly like Alex Hormozi's videos, which is awesome. So to change the text color, one thing I don't love about this is that you kind of have to play around with it to get used to it a little bit, but once you figure it out, it is easy. So if you want to change the color, you can click color, and let's say your brand colors are like mine, like teal. It gives you some options. So my hex code color is, I'm looking at it right now, 9191 C9 BC. So this is the color that I want my text to be. Okay, so now it is the teal color, but I still have the emphasis word changed. So sometimes this app isn't super intuitive, like I wish it would have all just been the same color, but it's easy to change that. You can go into the timeline and where I say I've been sick for 2 days, I can go to emphasize, and then, maybe if I want it to be a different color. I think it is cool that it could be a different color, but it can be a little frustrating. So I just made it the same color. That way I didn't have to worry about, there being different colors. But this is the video. It's looking cute. This isn't the type of video that I would necessarily have these type of captions on. I do feel like these types of captions are way more formal. They're more for thought leaders or podcasters or people who just want to present themselves more professionally. I will say Alex has started this trend. I don't think he used this app, but I do think this app has become successful because of him and because of his style videos. If you want Hormozi style videos, then this app is definitely something you should check out. Invest $9 or $10 or whatever it is, just to play around with it and see if you like it on your videos. When you save it, you can save it, you can export it to your camera roll. One really cool feature that I love as a social media manager is that it uses AI to come up with a caption and hashtags based on what you say in the video. It's a little creepy, but you get over it. So the title of it is Excited to Visit Peru Despite Recent Challenges. The same thing with ChatGPT and also with any AI is it comes out a little formal and it's not exactly in the tone that you would talk in. But this is great if you want to start pumping out a lot of content. It comes up with the caption, it comes up with the hashtags. I think that this is such a cool app. It also has a teleprompter feature, so if you wanted to talk and record directly in the app, that's something you could do. This video is obviously not sponsored, but it has helped me with clients who have wanted that style of video. Try it out, let me know how it goes. You can let me know in the comments if you've used it before. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week.